Okay, we're gonna try another Michaels because there wasn't much at that first Michaels. Hopefully we'll find something here. You're watching The Horror Family and I'm Red Rum Queen. So we have some Halloween here. We got some Hocus Pocus floor mats for $19.99. And then we just got standard fall ones. And we got this cute little cat one here. That says Scary Cat. It's really cool. And then we got this Halloween one over here. It's upside down, but they're actually on sale for $14.99. Okay, looks like Halloween is starting to show up. We got this DIY jack-o'-lantern, and apparently they have all these examples of personalized pumpkins that you can turn into different things, whether it be just plain fall or Halloween. And here's some information on that. And it says ask about their personalized pumpkins. We design, we carve them, and you can have them personalized to your liking for $30. So here is the Halloween. Yay! Got this rest in peace pillow. These pillows are $29.99. But Michaels always has, I'm not sorry, yeah, Michaels always has a ton of sales. So that's really, really cool. So all these pillows are $29.99. This is like a velvet material. And then it has some blingy here. And then we got this October 31st pillow, and it has a lot of sparklies. And it looks like the pillows even has some beads going on there. And it seems like the pillows are $29.99. And no, this is not Halloween, so we're gonna go this way. So check out all this beautiful stuff for Halloween. Michaels tends to be more of the vintage Halloween as opposed to the more scary Halloween, and I like all Halloween, so that's great. So these cute little vintage guys here are terribly adorable. They are $16.99 for the little vintage, and they have dangly legs, so you can put it on your chimney or any type of windowsill or anything like that. We have some signs here that say trick or treat. They say welcome. So it's really cute, and these signs are $16.99. So these both here are pretty cute, and they're $9.99. And they have the black polka dots and stuff like that, so it's super cute. So I'm going to go over here and I'll show you this cute little black cat pillow. Actually, this is my favorite pillow so far that I've seen here. And this cat pillow is $24.99, and it seems like the ones with words tend to be $29.99. This is just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. I got the Old Salem Broom Company. This sign is $12.99. And then we got a pumpkin pillow that's similar to the cat pillow over there. And it's like this velvet soft material, and it's a little bit shiny on the eyes. And then we got these little vintage, I guess they're like a paper mache type material. And they're super cute. I don't want to pick them up because they look super delicate. But maybe I can get that price for you when I don't have a phone. There's this little cat guy here. He is $14.99. We got some potion bottles here, and the potion bottles are $8.99, and they're like glass. We got some nutcrackers there. Slasher Killer 13 was trying to show me. Let me pick this one up. And they're $14.99. We got these little gnomes, also the dangling feet, like those vintage ones, and these are $19.99. We got the little Halloween countdown. This guy is $14.99, and it counts down the days till Halloween. We got the sparkly bat guy. Look how cool he is. He's $7.99. And we got no parking, only witch sign there. I'm gonna get you some of those prices. So I'm gonna put this phone down. Oh, look at this spider pillow. That is so cool. And this witches here, a little bit bigger with the dangly legs. And those are $29.99. And we got that stripe bow there. So really cool, the Halloween items they have here at Micheals. So coming back, these are $49.99. And this little spell book is $50. So those are just some of the prices here at Micheals. Turning around, you see some ceramic haunted houses, which is really cool, where you can make little villages and stuff like that. This one even has teeth to it. And then you got the little miniatures here. And these are like $4.99. This one glows in the dark here. And that one is $6.99. So they have different ranges of prices. And this one apparently lights up and someone left it on, so I'm going to be a nice person and shut it off. But this house right here is $14.99 for that. And this one here, this one doesn't have a price, and I don't want to pick up another one because that was kind of delicate. We have like this candle type holder thing, probably for a big candle. I'm not sure what the use for that would be, but that's pretty cool. And then we got those pillows we saw at the other Micheals, which they only had those pillows at the other Micheals. We got some feathers. I guess this is for a more subtle Halloween look. And I'm getting like a traveling gypsy vibe here with this stuff. We got more of the potion bottles. We got these little skulls with these fake plants. And these are $19.99. We got them in the beige and the black. But yeah, we got all these lovely stuff. We got some more ceramic books here. We even got some keys. Like this, for example, here is $7.99. And they got two different kinds you can pick from. And there's some more skulls and some more floral to decorate, and that's pretty cool, this little black beaker guy thing for $7.99. You can definitely use some of this floral into that beaker. And they also have all these like different kinds. It's really cool. You can use as flower pots for like your science lab experiment theme if you want. There's just a bunch of things around here. They even have a black crow over here, and then they have your spiders for $12.99, and these crows here are $19.99. Walking down the aisle. We got the lights. Lights are important. Just typical Halloween lights you see anywhere else. For example, that's $19.99. That candelabra there is $34.99. We got some ghosts, and all the prices are here at the side, so it helps you. We got some skeleton animals again here. Skeleton animal. We got some snakes. You know, snakes are always a good addition to scare up. You know, to decorate those tables for your parties and stuff like that. And these are $5.99. We got frogs there for $21.99 and some skulls over there. They look like $14.99. We got this black cat here. He is $29.99, and of course, cobwebs. You can't go wrong with cobwebs for $2.99. We got some zombie hands here. The zombie hands are $12.99. Even the smaller one here is $9.99. Some Halloween tape there. And that is $2.99. We got some blood splattered stuff there, and some ghosts, and some more cobwebs, different kinds of cobwebs. This is a little different, pretty cool. Then we go down this aisle, and we see some more Halloween signs. You see that ghost again. That ghost right there is $4.99. We have that cute little orange vase there. He is $6.99. And we got this light up spooky sign. There. Oh, very, very cool. We got a boo one here. We got more pillows. We got so much things here at Micheals. We even got these cool cobwebs that are $7.99, and they always have coupons at Micheals, like I was saying, and you can get some sales. We've already done a lot of damage for Halloween so far. We got some Halloween balls, those ones with the bats and the ghosts. That's pretty awesome. We got some sparkly ones and some. They all have some like design on it. You can see the witch boots, bats. On this one, even some ghosts. We got the balls that are shaped like the different things, and these are $9.99 for these right here. We got some more signs. More signs. More ghosts. More boo signs. We got Halloween. Ribbons here that you can choose from. So very cool. We got some DIY things over here. The Slasher Killer 13th is looking at. Oh, that's really cool. It lights up red. It's kind of hard to see when it's lit in here, but that's really cool. And you can paint these to your DIY needs if you want to craft. When my phone cut off, I was looking at this Micheals DIY stuff. I'm gonna go here and show you that they have the Halloween trees for $59.99. We got some more bug lights here. I think it's to add to the thing because it looks like it has spiders. And then there's the black one that we've seen before. But these are super cute. I'm gonna do kind of fast now because my not my battery, but my memory is running out. We got the Halloween Spooky Town stuff starting to come up here. Really, really, really cool. It's gonna be kind of quick now because I'm running out of space. But, okay, my video cut out again, but here is the Halloween Town stuff, and it's gonna cut out again. So I'm gonna finish up and wrap it up. And this is pretty much everything you can find at Micheals. Okay, so I had to switch phones because my phone ran out of room, even though I erased some things that were old. Just didn't cut it. But here is some of the last things I saw. This is pretty funny. That you can stick out into your lawn, and these are $19.99. We got some glittery spiders for $2.99. We got some skeletons for $16.99. Kind of party favors you can use for your Halloween parties that you have. And we got this little ghost garland, really, really cute. And that is $14.99 here at Micheals. So we're excited that finally Micheals is getting their Halloween stuff up. So I think I covered everything. And I did show you this, but it was kind of quick. But you know, price ranges different here. And you know, we got the grounds, so you can set up your Halloween town. And that's $14.99. And then we got the different houses. And for example, that house right there is $34.99. And then obviously the accessories, this unicorn is pretty cool. And these little black cat signs. And all the little jack-o'-lanterns. And the prices, I believe, for these things, I'm not exactly sure. Some of them don't have it, and some of them do have the tags up there for the prices. So that's it. So thanks for watching the Horror Family Channel. I am Red Rum Queen. And remember, the family that scares together stays together. Bye.